risk returns. What do I mean by that? We're not looking at the market. I know some people here, maybe even myself, freaking out. Oh, Bitcoin went down to 90,000. Oh, this changed in the market. This meme coin didn't make me, this or that. So, taking a look at the market, we need to understand, how does it work? How can we get into it? And that's the beauty of Stabriox. We don't have to worry about that anymore. We call it low risk earnings through arbitrage, which we saw in the video exactly as it sounds. There's no risk, and the best part is it stays consistent, whether the market's up, down, or it changes. So let's get into it today. So we are revolutioning finance. We are changing the game on how finance is done. You might have heard the word DeFi, decentralized finance. I've always been looking for the best projects there. Here we're leveraging smart arbitrage. So what does arbitrage mean? As I said in the video, we look at price discrepancies. So just for an example, let's say Bitcoin, it's gone down. It's 91,000 on Binance, which is an exchange that holds some Bitcoin. And then Central Exchange. Then we have Coinbase right here, and it's at 90,999. So there's a dollar discrepancy. All we do is we buy low and sell high, buy low and sell high. And you might just say, well, that sounds good. I'll go off and do that myself. But the AI does that consistently. It automates it, so you don't have to sit there and do it yourself. Imagine you trying to do that throughout every exchange, every financial market, and getting all the signals trying to look at it. It's too much. So here we have technology that's driven with arbitrage trading, and we specialize in generating low risk returns. You get the returns, you get them consistently, they're low risk, and all we do is exploit price differences across financial markets. But we don't do this manually. We combine automation, AI, to create smart earning opportunities for every investor and everyone who comes in. So as I said, what is arbitrage trading? Identifies price discrepancies, and this is very important because this is how our system works. So price discrepancies of the same asset across different markets. We buy low in one market, sell high in another. Just as simple as that. It doesn't just have to be Bitcoin. I like your background there, Stabriox. Let's go. It doesn't have to just be Bitcoin. It could be Ethereum. It could be even a meme coin. It can be anything. You buy low, you sell high. Then you get instant profit. You don't have to rely on speculation. So I know a lot of people like to speculate. Oh, Bitcoin will be $1 million by the end of the year. Ethereum will be this. No. We don't have to worry about getting into a project hoping it works. Well, I hope this new meme coin just takes off. We don't have to worry about that. This is completely low risk, and you can see profit within 7 to 10 days. You don't have to make predictions. You don't have to hedge positions, instant profit, and reduce exposure to volatility. So let's go. What type of arbitrage exists? So you can get one asset on an exchange, like I said, sell once priced higher. But you can make it more complicated. And the good thing is the AI handles all this. So you can handle triangular. It's like a triangle with USD, Euros, Great Britain, and you can do the discrepancies in those for risk-free profit. Then it can even get more complicated with statistics, identifying temporal mispricing between different assets. You can capture price differences like spots, futures, derivatives. If you're into trading, this one will stand out, and you can even do it in the DeFi by leveraging gaps in decentralized and centralized exchanges. So you can find like, oh, okay, this coin on PancakeSwap is here, and then just got listed on Coinbase, it's here. Like Doge, where's it at? And then find the price discrepancies to buy. Now we have a robot here, don't worry, the robots are not taking over, but they'll help you with trading. See, the nice thing is, with AI, now you can have it trade for us. So you can be at the beach, you can be at the mall, you can be wherever you want, and it'll trade real time with AI-powered trade signaling, looking at different markets, which we'll take a look at in a second. Happens instantly at your fingertips. Risk managed, and it works 24/7. So you can go to sleep, it's trading. You can go for a walk, it's trading. You can go hang out with your friends, it's trading. And the big vision, what is the big vision? To lead the global evolution of digital arbitrage trading through intelligent automation, provide safe and sustainable wealth building opportunities for everybody. And also it democratizes access to arbitrage, delivers consistent returns, innovates with AI, automation, analytics, upholds transparency and investor truth. At StabroyX, we operate with integrity, maintaining full transparency in every process. Through continuous innovation, we enhance our technology to capture better arbitrage opportunities. Our focus on performance delivers sustainable profits, while strong security measures protect client funds, ensuring long-term trust and reliability. And we're global. We're in Nepal, Burundi, Thailand, you name it, Asia, Europe, America. We're everywhere, and we operate across multiple international financial markets, enable access to diverse arbitrage opportunities, and we have a global network of exchange partners, digital infrastructures, seamless execution, and consistent performance across borders. So what do we specialize in? Forex. Global currency, it's foreign exchange with real-time analysis, strategic insights, diversified property investments, residential, commercial, you name it. Yes, we are in real estate. It's not just crypto, but we do have crypto with digital assets, and those are focused on security, innovation, and long-term value creation. So here we're committed to consistent performance, delivering, being completely transparent with you, giving you full trust, innovation. As we grow, we enhance our technology and strategies, and we prioritize the safety of our clients, making sure it's secure. And StabroyX is focused on shaping the future of finance. So we use our AI-driven models to engineer fast, smart, and more trade-efficient execution. Then we plan and strengthen our presence across these financial hubs, and these are all over the world. So if you have a laptop, like in this picture, if you have a phone, you can take part in this. And we introduce diverse arbitrage based on investments, products to provide clients with stable earning opportunities. So we want to make sure the processes come in and they're stable, precision, speed, and profit, as you can see right here. And it's low risk as well. Now let's take a look at the corporate overview. So this is the next generation financial arbitrage infrastructure. We are changing how global markets are done. Where are we located? We're headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland, and the company operates at the intersection of artificial intelligence, blockchain liquidity, and global capital dynamics. But who's behind it? It's founded by Lucas Reinhardt, a European fintech architect who previously collaborated with Professor Klaus Schwab, the former WF chairman, and StabroyX was conceptualized to build traditional financial systems with decentralized ecosystems through advanced automation and precision analytics. And StabroyX ecosystem empowers institutional investors, funds, algorithmic traders to execute multi-market arbitrage with unmatched speed, accuracy, and transparency. And what's the core technology behind it? We have the ArbiCore engine. That's the proprietary AI that scans 150 global exchanges, Liquidity Sync, a real-time liquidity bridge, and these all work together to make these arbitrage trades that connect digital assets, fiat markets, commodity ecosystems, and AI-powered forecast models that identify asymmetrical pricing before it becomes visible, so we can even see when it's going to change, and then we can know when to buy, an automated portfolio rebalancing. So you don't even have to worry about, okay, I traded, but don't I have to manage a portfolio? The AI even does that with a smart hedge framework. And our vision is to build the world's most intelligent arbitrage infrastructure where speed, data, and integrity converge to redefine the future of financial engineering. And our mission, to redefine equilibrium through data precision, ethical automation, to provide seamless global liquidity across all investor tiers, to create opportunity for market volatility without relying on speculation. So here's our divisions. We have the Arbitrage X Labs R&D, pioneering AI-driven arbitrage intelligence. We have blockchain-based liquidity and routing infrastructure. We have the Arbi Desk Pro, real-time arbitrage execution for professional traders. And finally, the Arbi Vault Custody, multi-layered security custodial frameworks for institutional fund protection. So that is Lucas Reinhardt, a European fintech engineer, over 18 years of experience, consultant with Klaus Schwab at the Tech Forum in Geneva, and he engineered StabroyX as a bridge. He wanted to find a bridge between institutional finance, going to the bank, what you would call traditional finance, and DeFi, or your decentralized liquidity ecosystems. Where others see volatility, we see architecture. And our business plan. You can start for as little as $10 and come in with multiples of 10, 20, 50, or 100, and it's cross-par profit, 1% per day of your active investment. But the best thing is, as you inform your downline, upline, other people, increase your trading profit by 0.5% with like-minded investors. So you find those people on your team and get that 0.5%, bringing me to the salary, which you'll start to get in 7 to 10 days. And the best part is, if you let other people know, and I see a lot of people on this presentation. So if you go on social media, go in your upline, downline, your email list, and you let them, hey, I'm associate manager. I talked to 5 people. We got 1,000 in business on a 40-40-20 condition, a 0.50%. And as you talk to more people, as you get more people in, operations coordinate 8 people. Then those 8 people talk to their 8 people. Then you get a total team of 100. And as you can see, salary's 1%. Imagine growing up to 4%, not per month, not per week, per day, which is absolutely amazing. So just to give you an example for Horizon Commander, talking to 40 people, which is not a lot of people. If you go on Instagram, you talk to your team. For example, if your team generates 10,000 right here in business, and the differential rate is 1%, you'll earn $100 as a salary. And that's consistent. It's a salary. It keeps going. So the more people you talk to, the more people they talk to as you build your team, then you can see the salary here. And we'll see in the back office how the team looks. Then you get the rewards. The rewards is one time, but they're pretty nice. So you just talk to 5 people. They talk to another 5 people, 4 people. And then you get 1,000 in business. 40-40-20 condition at 5%, you get that 5% one-time reward. And just like the salary, the rewards are one time. But as you talk to more and more people, you expand the team, you expand the business, then you get more rewards. It keeps going higher and higher and higher. But there are a few conditions. There's the minimum withdrawal amount at $5, so you want to make sure that you're cognizant of that. Top up cannot be less than the previous recharge, and eligibility for salary rewards requires maintaining a maximum business ratio of 40-40-20. Investors and working partners can earn up to 2x or 3x, and admin charge is applicable at 10%. For salary calculations, direct business will not be included as 0.5%, and all investments will be withdrawn or accepted in USDT Tether BEP20 only. The salary plan uses a differential income structure where earnings depend on the level difference of you and your team. So, as I said, if your team generates 10K, differential rate is 1%, you earn $100 as a salary. So, to put it all into perspective, what should you do? Go ahead and get started today for as little as $10 or multiples of that. You know this is low risk, so we're not taking big risks. It's founded in Switzerland by somebody who has the experience. And then talk to your team. Have their team talk to their team. Have their team talk to their team. All of a sudden you have a huge team right there. You have amazing interest coming in. You have rewards, and you have salary coming in 7 to 10 days, and so do they. And then they let their team know, and we can build this to the moon. That is bridging the future of finance right here. So that's how you can build up your business in as little as a week. And then that's how they can do it. So that's really what I want to emphasize. Guys, you all have teams, you all have social media, and I see a lot of people here today. We can make that happen. So all you need to do is let people know, hey, call them on the phone. I'm making returns in 7 to 10 days. Oh, you have a salary? I do. I have a salary. I'll let my friend, oh, how can I build a team? And then you show them that. So you might be wondering, big question, what does this all look like? Let's take a look. So here we can see the dashboard, which you'll see when you log in, and then we can see our referral link. So go ahead, you can see referral links right here, and this is the link you'll give them when you get started. Now we have our direct team. So we can see direct team when we get our team here, our downline team, and even our tree team. So as you recruit people, they come in, you'll be able to see that. And you'll be able to see who's on your team, who recruited who worked with who, right here. So there's a name, team, active downline, inactive downline. And you can also see the team there as well. You can also see, hey, how am I going to build this? You talk to people. Now, first thing you'll want to do is come here to deposits. So you want to go ahead and make a deposit here. You can create a BEP20 wallet. So you just go ahead and create a wallet here, fund it with USDT Tether, has to be on the BEP20 network, and then that's how you get it started. And you'll have your deposit history right here where you can see it. And on top of that, you'll have an income report, so you can see what's going on. How much income am I making? Am I up or down? And also, you'll be able to see here the information on your withdrawals. So you can do a withdrawal request. Remember, it does have to be $5 at least, the amount, wallet, and then the one-time password, and that's how you can withdraw. This will also show your withdrawal history and all that information as well. And we can see our user profile right here, where we have all of our information, country, mobile, all that type of stuff. So that is it in a nutshell. That's how you can see everything, and you can see the language here. You can change it to whichever language suits you best. The wallet deposit is conveniently here, as well as the investment. And if you ever need any help, we have our support AI right here, as well as our live chat right here in the corner, so you can